Thank you so much, my beloved Fragarsas. Obviously, that's from Obi, your favorite child. That's Abang, the other kid. And my beloved best husband ever. Ding ding. Ever what? Seriously? Oh, it's just the box. Oh wow.
That's the dive home, no?
Yay! Oh my god, alhamdulillah. Thank you ya. Gimana bukanya? It's just me and my rustic thingy.
Oh, ini
Oh, orange like my old orange thingy.
I think you mean my new one.
Your new one, Alpine loop bracelet Alpine. Oh, bracelet Alpine. Oh, nice. Dive comp? Can I dive in it?
Yeah.
Yay! Alhamdulillah. Oh my god. Oh, look at this. Alhamdulillah. Thank you, guys.
You're welcome.
Thank you, Pa. Thank you, Dad. Thank you, Abang. And let's go dive. Alhamdulillah. Turn it off.
Okay.
Hi everyone, Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Welcome back to indonuria.com. I am celebrating my birthday. I know I'm getting old. And in this lovely morning, I got a very nice surprise from my dearest family, the Fragarsas. They know my crazy love to all the purple stuff. And look what I got today. These beautiful cards, lovely cake that is already downstairs with all these heartfelt and touchy messages that I love so much from my best kids and my best husband. And look what I got for my birthday. Ta-da! I was super happy. I finally got an Apple Watch, the latest one actually. And I already got one, which is quite old, and I've been using it faithfully so far, and now I got a new one. Let's see what we have in here. This is I don't know what's the name. It's the Ultra Apple Watch with titanium case and orange Alpine loop. Let's see what's inside. Okay, aren't you excited? Me too. My kids keep saying, you can use it for diving, Ma, you can use it for diving. I was like, ooh, nice. Because for quite some times, I haven't got my dive comp, and it's quite expensive. So I've been like saving to get one. But I think I don't have to do that again because I already got this one now. Okay, let's see. So this is what we have. And yeah, I suppose this is the... Oh, this is how it looks inside. There you go. Ta-da! Oh, it looks cute. It looks awesome, even from the books. These are the booklets, and I think like sort of a manual telling you what you can get. And coba kita lihat apa lagi ya. And yeah. Pokoknya ada cara-caranya segala macam di sini. What you have and parts that you need to know, how to charge it. Like the latest Apple products, we use the MagSafe type of charging. Ini apa nih? Oh, so this is what's telling you what's the case, the side button, crown guard, altimeter, and depth gauge, and 3 microphone array. So it's a good one. I already use this for phone as well sometimes, at least to receive that. So this one is probably way better. And then it has a GPS action button. What is International Orange? International Orange is the name. Terus ada banyak konfigurasinya. I really need to learn about it. So yeah, let's do it later. And this is the stripes or the loop. Alpine loop. It's a titanium G-hook closer. Looking cool. Apa dulu yang kita buka nih, Pak? I keep looking at everything else but the watch. So I'm gonna keep it for the last. Let's see what we have inside of this box. The one that I have is the 49 millimeter or the large size, I suppose, because it says 49 mm/large. Orange.
It's supposed to be slide. I think.
Oh, it has to be slide. Yeah, I know, right? Oh, I have to open it. Okay. Let's do it. Let's do it. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. No turning back. Kalau nggak suka masih bisa dibalikin nggak? There is no way I don't like this. This is so good. Right, Dad? So, oh, this is the straps. Oh, it looks so fancy. I like the color for sure. And how do I open this one? Oh, I can just take it out. No frills. Okay, strapsnya kayak begini. The hook is pretty much. Look at this. I know they don't get me the purple one because we don't have the purple one. Tapi hooknya bakal kayak begini nih, enak nih.
Kebalik lagi.
Oh, it's the other way around.
Yeah.
Oh, see, yeah. Sorry, first time owner. Okay. Oh, it's nice because we can definitely adjust with the size of our wrist. Jadi bisa adjustnya gampang. Alright, now you ready to see the baby? Let's do that again. Okay, we can slice it. Or open it. Okay. Ready? 2. Ta-da! So this is how it looks inside the box. And let's see. Obviously you got your watch in here. Oh, that looks big. This baby is big. And this is obviously the charger.
So, but okay, compared to your old one.
Yeah, well, I haven't really. Can you
yeah.
see it? This is my old one. This is the one that I got in 2018, yeah, Pak. 2018, before coming back home to Indonesia from New York. So this is like 5 years old now, and probably this is like 2017 series. And yeah, this is way bigger. This beast is way bigger. But mine is even actually big because they do have the small ones.
No,
This one is small one.
Small one.
Oh, okay. Sorry, forgot. But yeah, we've been using a lot of Apple products lately. And by lately means since 2007. Lumayan lama juga sih. I have to say I'm quite faithful. Some of their products are very, very much what I needed. So happy to have one. Okay, I'm trying to open it carefully because I tend to keep all the coverings just in case. Okay. Oh, it looks awesome. Look. I think it should be on. Or I need to charge it. Yeah, I need to charge this one. Oh, it's on, everyone. Maafin ya kalau agak-agak dusun. Because I'm super happy. I'm getting old. Yes, I'm getting something new. On the day when I celebrate, I'm getting older. Alright.
Slide it.
Oops. I have to slide it. low battery to continue connect Apple Watch to its charger. I will, but I am sliding it. And what do I have to do now? Is it like this?
Yep.
Oh, okay. And then slide another one.
Ini maju dulu dong. Ini dia.
Okay. I need some help. And then we slide it again. This will make sure. Right. Nice and tight, everyone. Nice and tight. Okay. See you soon. Then I'm gonna wear this. Oh, so this is how you adjust the alpine loop and slide it in one of the mini pockets that I have. This is actually nice and very handy as well. Ta-da! Gimana nih? Can you see it? Still low battery, and maybe next time I'll get back to you with all the features that I have. Yang pasti, yang versi sebelumnya aja aku udah seneng banget because it has many things that I really adore, and I can't wait to see what it brings when it comes to apa namanya underwater sports. Oh, do they have it here? Enggak sih, kayaknya di sini belum disebutin apa aja. These are just the items that we can have. Alright. Alhamdulillah. Thank you so much, ya guys. Thank you so much for the precursors. I really love this. And thank you for watching. Doain ya, mudah-mudahan getting older doesn't mean that I'm getting rustier. Mudah-mudahan semua berkahnya selalu dilimpahkan ke kita semua. Thank you guys. Enjoy the rest of your day. See you around the next video, and I'll be back with this. Ciao. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.